We take this time to honor today's four-state hero, John Cook, who served in the United States Army from 1969 to 1971 in Vietnam. His hometown, Baxter Springs, Kansas. We're proud to salute John Cook, our four-state hero.
We will begin our birthday list with a big number one for a smiling Weston Shanholzer. Weston, a very happy birthday to you. He is in McCune.
And Jace Russell turning 1 year old this year. Jace is in Erie, Kansas. Love mommy and daddy.
All right, we got the Cook twins. They are now 4. We're going to start with Miss Keeley. A smiling Miss Keeley. Happy birthday to you, Keeley. And if Keeley's 4, we know that Kinsley is also celebrating her 4th. Well, I tell you what, Keeley and Kinsley just with 2 great smiles right there. Happy birthday, kiddos. They're in Carthage.
Hayden Markley is 7 strong this year. Hayden celebrating in Golden City, Missouri.
Chase McCullough, he is now 11. Chase, I want you to have a marvelous day. He is off to school in Lamar.
All right. Jordan Evans celebrating birthday number 14 this year in Springdale, Arkansas.
Landon Wheat, he's got a 15th birthday. Sharp-dressed dude right there. Happy birthday to you, Landon. And I want you to know these birthday wishes come from Mom, Dad, Ethan, Aiden, and your grandparents. Landon's in Parsons.
You want that next one?
Yeah, I do. All right, Lyd, you know special love from the Hayslip family. Absolutely have adored you and your family. You got to remember, last year when we did this picture, it was her behind the wheel of a car, and so that scared me to death. And now I look at her, 18 years old. Lydia, you've just been a marvelous kid, and you're going to be a marvelous young woman as well. A very happy birthday from all of us. She's in the knack.
Right.
I knew it. You know, first time I met Lyd, we needed a pitcher. I don't know why we didn't have a pitcher that weekend, but we needed one. And I'm warming up this girl. I'm like, "What's your name, kid?" She's like, "I'm Lydia Pyle." I'm like, "You Hat's sister?" She goes, "Yeah." I'm like, "Go get him." She went out there and pitched a doubleheader for us.
Nice. All right. Happy birthday, Lydia.
This is a cool one right here.
Yeah. Christina Snishova. I don't know how to say the last name.
Christina, I will take apologies on that one because I just saw that where she was from. This is great.
She's from the Czech Republic, senior exchange student in Moraine, Kansas. How cool. Well,
Christina, I really hope you've enjoyed your time here, and thank you for bringing your culture to the 4 states as well. That's tremendous.
that is really cool.
Really
Happy
cool.
birthday number 19, Christina. And also happy birthday number 19 to Hunter Mapes, who's celebrating in Franklin, Kansas.
Heather Boyle, she is celebrating her 32nd birthday. Heather, a very happy birthday to you in Joplin.
Travis Pack celebrates birthday number 43 in Galesburg, Kansas.
And we run out to Parsons because Debbie Bauer is celebrating her 68th birthday. Debbie, a very happy birthday to you.
Belated anniversary for the Hamiltons, celebrating 25 years together. Jeff and Gail Hamilton in Lamar.
I want to know the background. I mean, the background of the picture. I know what's in the background. I want to know.
Oh, I gotta say, it's hump day, Michael.
Oh, you did not.
I did.
You did not.
Well,
Jeff and Gail, we would love to know the background of that picture. Go ahead and send Tanya a Facebook message on
And that is the reason why we are announcing this a day late, because it is hump day today. It was just fitting. Yes.
Kenneth and Virginia Lawler, they are celebrating their 68th anniversary. I tell you, you look at that picture, they don't look old enough to be celebrating the 68th anniversary. That's a great looking picture right there. Congratulations, Kenneth and Virginia. They're celebrating in Pittsburgh.
Very true.
Daryl Crockett, I want to give you a screen all to yourself, fine sir, and a happy 64th birthday to you. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this May the 12th. Here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up, and you can get special deals from local businesses as soon as you do it. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com, sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.